Welcome back to Vrinda Mathur's online teaching class. I am Vrinda Mathur, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government College, Dudu. As you all know, we are discussing these various topics of your class online because you all are not coming to the college. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you are staying fit and studying hard. Now this lecture is addressed to students of English Literature, General English, BA Part 1. All the students of BA Part 1. All the students of all the three faculties. Faculty of Arts, Faculty of Science and Faculty of Commerce. I am discussing with you the paper of General English. This is the compulsory paper, as you all know. And there are, as I told you in the earlier videos, the General English paper is divided into 4 questions, right? The first question is phonetics. Question number 2 is grammar and usage. Question number 3 is comprehension. And question number 4 is composition. So I am discussing with you question number 3 because this is the most important question. This is carrying 30 marks, right? So comprehension is dealing with question answers. And in this, this is the book prescribed for you. And in this book, there are 5 chapters that are prescribed for you. So those 5 chapters you have to understand and you have to answer the questions in this question number 3. So the other 2 chapters that I have discussed with you are The Birth of Khadi by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and The Night Train at Deoli by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond's short story The Night Train at Deoli I have discussed with you. I have also discussed The Birth of Khadi by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Now today in this class I am discussing with you Jawaharlal Nehru's famous speech, A Tryst with Destiny. This is a very famous speech. It is included in all the world's famous speeches. And Jawaharlal Nehru's this speech is very famous and very well known. It was delivered on the eve of Indian independence at the time India got independence, on the night of 12 o'clock of 14th August, 12 o'clock. Just on 15th August had started 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who also became the first Prime Minister of India, delivered the speech to the nation at 12 o'clock in the night. So the title of this speech is A Tryst with Destiny. It is a very, very well known, very famous speech, and I am sure you all will enjoy it. So I will read from the speech first and then I will discuss the questions. It is a very beautiful speech and you will enjoy it. Very eloquent, very well written, very well expressed, right? It conveys the feelings of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru towards his nation very strongly, all right? So let me tell you something about the first question that comes to our mind, obviously, is what do you know about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? What do you know about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru? So you all know Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad in 1889. He was drawn into the vortex of Indian politics and he emerged as a leader of the country's youth. He was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi during this period. In 1947, he became the first Prime Minister of India and remained the first Prime Minister of India for 17 years till his death in 1964. So he remained the first Prime Minister of India till 1964. He was a dreamer. He was an idealist, right? He had a dream for India, right? He had a dream for independent India. He loved the country very much. He was an idealist, a humanist, and also a very good speaker, eloquent speaker, and a very good writer. He has written very many important prose. He has written a lot of important prose. Let me tell you one or two, the titles of one or two. One is The Letters from a Father to His Daughter. Then there is his autobiography, The Discovery of India. Then he has written Glimpses of World History. All these are very famous. So if they ask you a question, name 3 books written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, you can say Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, and Letters from a Father to the Daughter. Now in my next video, I will discuss the famous speech, A Tryst with Destiny, with you all. Thank you.